So here's the salt, oregano, allspice, nutmeg, and pepper, and then with our Parmesan cheese. Then add your breadcrumbs and milk. So now we're gonna add our ground pork and our ground beef. After that, give it a good mix, and then add the spices that we put aside earlier. After that, we're gonna add the eggs. Then add the onions and garlic. I also added this bouillon powder, about 2 teaspoons. Mix it evenly, but don't overdo it. It's gonna make the meatballs hard. After that, just roll them into meatballs. I usually put them aside and put them in the fridge. After about 30 minutes, I start frying them. Now we'll make the gravy. You can do this simultaneously. I was actually still frying on the other burner here. Just melt your butter. Add the flour after the butter is melted, and then once it's give you like a sticky texture, add your milk and water. So before I made the gravy, I had a half cup of sour cream and a Dijon mustard or a mustard powder pre-mixed, and then that's what I added here before adding the meatballs. Just let it simmer for a while and then serve it with your favorite mashed potatoes. Enjoy!